How to get rid of dry skin in hydration. Number 1. Avoid irritants. Be mindful of potential irritants in skincare products such as alcohol, fragrances, and certain preservatives. These ingredients can exacerbate dryness and irritation, so opt for products labeled fragrance-free or sensitive skin-friendly. Number 2. Petroleum. Jelly. Petroleum jelly, such as Vaseline, can be an effective occlusive moisturizer. Apply a thin layer to areas of dry skin, such as elbows, knees, and heels, before bedtime to help seal in moisture overnight. Number 3. Hyaluronic acid serum. Incorporating a hyaluronic acid serum into your skincare routine can provide an extra boost of hydration. Hyaluronic acid attracts moisture to the skin, helping to plump and hydrate dry areas. Subscribe and follow on other social media platforms.
Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.